I might have found one of the best tools for people who are non-technical to start building software using natural language prompting and deploy it. You have to check this out today. If you have seen my last few videos, you might have seen me building apps using Cursor, Replete Agent, V0, or Claude Dev, and it's usually really easy to build the app. However, once it comes time to deployment, I would spend hours deploying the app to a live website. So here comes the star of our show today, Bolt.new. It's a tool that was recently announced by StackBlitz. StackBlitz is a browser-based IDE, kind of like Replete. They describe Bolt.new as a dev sandbox with AI. Think about it like V0 or Claude, but it allows you to also install packages, run your backend, and deploy it all in one tool. It's free to use, and they have a paid tier which starts at just $9 per month, which allows you to use it at 66 times more than what the free tier provides you. 92.3% of people who are watching this are not subscribed. I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to this if you found this useful. Thank you so much for supporting this new channel. Really appreciate it. So let's get started today. We're going to go to Bolt.new, and what you can see here, their Twitter announcement that says introducing Bolt.new Dev Sandbox with AI from StackBlitz. Right here is where you can input your prompt and even attach a photo. Today, I am feeling like building a habit tracker app. So let's try that. I'm just getting some inspirations from Google, but I'm not going to kind of copy this exactly one-on-one. I'm just gonna say, get inspirations from this. I'll screenshot like this and then ask Bolt.new to build something for me. I'm gonna copy this command for now, and it's gonna pop up this for you to sign up an account because we haven't done so yet. So we're gonna sign up for an account. I just created an account. Now this is what I'm gonna see in this main page. This is actually stackblitz.com once you log in, but you want to go to Bolt.new. You should be able to get into this page and see this box again. We're going to paste in the command we wrote, and we're also going to put in a picture of our inspiration. I'm just going to tweak this to say daily habit tracker app. Put it in, and let's see what it comes up with. Here you can see a similar layout to what Claude or V0 gives you, where it's like code and preview, except here you can see all these files, which is really cool. I think in Claude you only see one file, right? But here you can see all these files at once, and you can see how it's like generating each file. They do multi-steps, right? Okay, so I've created this simple thing. This app is now running. You can interact with it. Okay, so we're seeing a blank screen because it just popped this up, potential problem detected. So all you have to do is just click this fix problems button and it will do it for us. You can again take a look at what's going on over here. They're updating some code. Now you can see over here the daily habit tracker app. I added this item earlier. You can also add something like, what's a good habit? Read for 10 minutes. So you can add a habit. See how it's only allowing me to click on the tracker for today, and it's not allowing me to click the tracker for tomorrow, which is really cool. But I can't uncheck it. So I'm going to see if it can debug for me. I'm asking it to fix a bug where after I click on it, I can't unclick it to cancel the tracker. Let's see what it says. This is testing the debugging ability of Bolt.new. Doesn't work. I'm gonna tell it it's still buggy. I cannot untrack it. Okay, now it debugged for this for me and it's fully working. This is great. I'm gonna see if they can add authentication so user can log in and sign up to use their own habit tracker. And I'm waiting for this. It says it's done, but I don't see anything in the preview. If it didn't detect a problem, I'm gonna say I don't see anything in the preview and see what it comes back with. Now I see a login or sign up page. I'm gonna just sign up for an account. Authentication fell, fix problem. It detected some problem. It won't let us do it because we need to use the Firebase API. I'm gonna ask them, instead of Firebase, can you help me use Superbase? Let's read through the instructions. You're not seeing anything here because we need to set up Superbase. I'm just going to ask and see if they can give me the Superbase SQL queries to create these two tables and see what they say. They put it over here in this query. I'm going to go to the SQL editor and then paste this, run. Success, that's good. I'm gonna go to the code and update this .environment file. Right here, you have to put in your own Superbase project and key. Then I'm gonna save it. I successfully logged in, and now you can see it's empty, and I'm just gonna add a tracker, add a habit. So reading for 10 minutes, add habit. I'm gonna give this bug back to them. Now only have this much token left. Okay, now it's working, and you can check it and check. That's great. Now that my app fully works and I can track and save my tracking, I'm going to ask Bolt to deploy my app. Deploy my app. Happy to. It ran into a problem, fixed problem. What it's going to do is going to deploy to Netlify. This is Netlify. Deploy faster. I'm just going to check out pricing. This is how much Netlify cost. Great news. Your daily habit tracker app has been deployed. You can claim it. I think there might be some partnership between them. You can claim it using this link. See it live online over here. I'm going to log in, and it works. It's working. You saw what I logged, and it retained this. So this is a live app. Overall, I'm very impressed with Bolt.new, which is why I have to tell everyone about this. This is great, and I'm really loving it. And that's it for today. I hope you check out Bolt because it's a really fun way to build for non-technical people, and it's so quickly, and it saves you deployment time. I think this is a game changer. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.